In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Tor browser on Windows. So just go to any browser and then search for Tor browser, and here you will show this link torproject.org. So you need to click here and it will show you multiple options: download for Windows, Mac, Linux and Android. So we're going to download it for Windows. So I'm going to click here, download for Windows, and it will start downloading Tor. So it will take a few seconds to download, and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, we just need to double click on the downloaded file and it will show you this. So here we're going to choose English, but if you want to choose different language, you can choose that as well. So I'm going to click on OK. Then here you can choose where you want to install Tor browser. So I'll keep it default location, then click on install, and it will take a few seconds to install Tor. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until installation is complete, and there you can see it's done. So here you can see you should just check those two options: run Tor browser, add menu and desktop icon, and I'm going to click on finish, and here you can see the Tor browser icon over here, and it also opened the Tor browser. So here in the Tor browser, in order to connect your browser to the internet, you need to give it a permission specifically. So here you can choose always connect automatically, or every time you can just click on this button. So I'm going to click here connect, and here you can see establishing a connection. So I'll recommend you not to enable it. Every time just click on connect, just for security reason, and it might take a few seconds to connect, and it's done. So it is connected. At the top you will see this icon connected, and here you can see DuckDuckGo. So you can search over here anything you want and just press enter, but be careful. And here you can see onionize. So just enable this whenever you are searching something. And if you want to import bookmarks from other browser, you can do it as well. So if you now just click on import, you can choose any other browser from here, and you can import data from there. But I do not recommend that. Just search whatever you want over here and use a different email address in this browser. So yeah, this is how you can install and use Tor browser on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.